Viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet World. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet sofa blanket designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet sofa blanket design refers to the patterns and techniques used to create handmade blankets, specifically designed to jump over a sofa. These blankets are both functional for warmth and decorative to enhance the look of your living space. Crochet sofa blankets are versatile and can be customized in terms of size, color, and style to suit any homemaker. Give pictures of crochet sofa blanket designs. Materials commonly made from yarns like acrylic, cotton, wool, or blended fibers. Softer yarns like chenille or applica blends are popular for cozy throws. Patterns and stitches. Crochet blankets use a variety of stitches ranging from simple to intricate. Basic stitches: single crochet, double crochet, and half double crochet. Picture stitches: bubble, half shell, or proper stitches and dimension. Mixing patterns: open work or full crochet pieces and lightweight airy design. Patterns can also feature granny stars, straps, zip-ups, or floral motifs. Shapes and size. Most crochet sofa blankets are rectangular to fit over sofas, but they can also be square or circular. Color and design. Solid colors for a minimalist look. Multicolored designs, ombre effects, or stripes for visual interest. Patterns like flowers, geometric shapes, or seasonal themes for added style. East and borders. Many designs include decorative borders such as scallop, peacock, or pink streams. Popular crochet sofa blanket styles, granny sculptures made from individual scarves stitches together, can feature bold colors or subtle tones. Zebra or triple patterns, orbit or zigzag patterns created using increases and decreases in the stitches. Chunky crochet blankets made with bulky yarns for a thick, warm blanket often use simple stitches for a quick and modern look. Lacy throws, lightweight and delicate, perfect for decorative use, often created with fine yarn or thread. Stripe patterns, horizontal or vertical stripes in multiple colors, ideal for creating a classic casual aesthetic. Patchwork designs, combine various blocks with different stitches, textures, or colors. Bohemian style, incorporate rings, tassels, or mandala motifs for a free, spirited look. Choose of crochet sofa blankets form perfect for curling up on the sofa during cold evenings. Decor adds a cozy handmade touch to your living room. Protection can protect your sofa from spills, rains, or oil and churn. Seasonal accents. Choose lighter patterns for summer and heavier, thicker ones for winter. Choosing the right crochet sofa blanket designs for your home. Match your decor style. For vintage or farmhouse decor, opt for intricate leaf or granny square designs. For modern spaces, go for minimalist patterns with neutral colors. For bohemian vibes, choose bright colors and textured ornaments, like tassels. Pick the right size, standard throw size, 50 into 60 inches. Large blankets can offer the entire sofa. Choose the right yarn. Soft and travel yarns are ideal for blankets that will be used frequently. Hypoallergenic options are great for households with sensitivities. Diapers ready by if you crochet, you can create a personalized blanket using online blankets. Ready-made. Handmade blankets can also be purchased from artisan shops or online stores like Escape. A crochet sofa blanket design refers to the patterns and techniques used to create handmade blankets specifically designed to drop over a sofa. These blankets are both functional for warmth and decorative to enhance the look of your living space. Crochet sofa blankets are versatile and can be customized in terms of size, colors, and style to suit any home decor. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!